One how tutorials back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make your photo animated through Selfies AI application. So you can see face dance. This is face dance and this is training AI dance. Okay, so like you can choose which feature you want. So like if you have only the headshot, then you can choose face dance. This way you can click more to get more, or like okay, I'm just going to choose something, maybe standing position, though I don't have. So after that we have to add an image of tab here and allow one. So I'm just going to choose, so I have only one picture here available. So free trial. Okay, I just took this model from, or you can make it the full 9:16 and 3:4 free trial. You get only one because it's the free trial. So it means it's only face. Okay, so it's not possible. If you want this image, you need the full picture, or maybe I'm just going to show you the headshot. It will be easier for you.
Is it easy? No. Do I like it? No, I don't. But do I do it? Yeah, I do.
And then you have to choose the running background. Sorry.
Is it easy? No. Do I like?
So easy. Like
is it easy?
Custom.
See?
No.
No.
You can add the picture here.
Do I like?
So I'm just going to choose the photos through this way. Go to. So you have to upload the clear photos so that they can detect it your face. So you can see I'm just get pro. Okay.
Is it easy?
So it's not totally free. Okay, I'm just going to detect face.
Is it easy? No. Do I like?
So it's not possible.
No,
I just
don't.
only.
Do I do it? Yeah, I do.
I can use only one picture, but this way you can select the template. It's not free. You have to get subscription, and there are a lot of style here. Amazing style. You have to choose, and you can see AI costumes. You can get the costume also, but you have to pay it. It's not free. There are many app is free, but if you want to get the high quality and good model and style, then you have to subscribe. So friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.